Merry Christmas. Good morning. Merry Christmas. I love you guys and I hope you have a wonderful day today. Usually on Christmas Day we go out as a family with our cousins, we meet up at the cinema, we watch a movie. It usually is Star Wars because it comes out around this time. But unfortunately no movie is out. The cinema isn't even open because we're currently on under lockdown because there are 3 strains of a new coronavirus or a mutated coronavirus in Nigeria. So all of us are supposed to stay home. And so we thought that, Christmas is gonna be dead. But my sister is not gonna let it die. She got some holy water and she sprinkled it on the cups. And she said, come back to life. Come back to life. You guys, I just woke up. So yeah. But let's go and see what she's doing. She's been preparing stuff throughout yesterday night. I don't know exactly what they are called, but I know there's a menu for today. She came to me like last week and she was like, don't worry about Christmas Day. They're so cool. Jesus. She's in the kitchen right now, rather. Let's go and check what she's doing. Hello. Merry Christmas. What did she do?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I don't know what you want me to say.
What are you doing?
Oh.
She's a bakeist, a cookist, and a chefist.
I don't know I give me title.
Eh?
I don't know I give me title.
Face me. Tell them what you are doing.
You know you're supposed to check the family.
I said tell them. What is this called, correction?
Christmas morning lifesaver according to the website.
Christmas morning lifesaver.
According to the website.
I don't know, I'm going to eat 3-course meals because I don't get it. Merry Christmas. So she has put the stuff inside the oven. And she's cooking now. So I'm going to go and have my bath and come back and look like a human being.
And will I be privy to this game plan, Dan, considering the fact that I started this company?
Co-owned company.
Cocoa powder. Sugar. Pinch of salt. 3.5 cups of water.
The food is ready. The food is ready. We're about to chow, chow. The cocoa's ready. The food is ready. Daddy's looking nice. Daddy's looking nice. Daddy, oh Daddy, won't you reply? Daddy, look me in the eye. Daddy, look and say hi. You won't look here.
Are you recording?
kid just went came on this.
Okay.
Hi, Tabitha. How are you?
I should look into the camera and say anything from there.
Yeah. No, like Merry Christmas.
That's easy now.
Emphasis, my G.
Merry Christmas.
So guys, we just finished having our family video chat and Korede is back in the kitchen, hard at work. What's this, Korede?
Hello, strawberry juice.
What's this, Korede?
Lemon.
So she's making
Strawberry cheesecake. Echoes?
it's just
Finger.
finger food, guys. Finger food for your finger. So that
I fell in love with him, but he wasn't in my life.
you move your hand.
It's my face now.
Yes, sir. We was on at Morehouse.
Your face look familiar. It's good to see you.
Yeah, but what you doing here with?
Of course it is. Merry Christmas, yo. It's already like 2-3. After 3 right now, my sister is taking a break while prepping for the next meal. And we're just watching movies. We've been watching movies throughout today. The best way to celebrate is to eat and watch series. And we've been doing that together and separately because not everybody is downstairs. But so far so good. Everything is chill. I wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on. So yeah. So now we're on to the main meal of the day, which is
Mashed potatoes and chicken bites.
let me hear you, baby girl.
Mashed potatoes and chicken bites.
Is she not hardworking? No, whoa, chefis, cookie.
Not your
That's
fault.
press it against the wall. Gosh, I have to teach you everything. Yeah, rude. Very rude. Gosh. Who even told you to do this? It's not me.
Mozzarella and cheddar.
Mozzarella and cheddar too. Cheddar. Mozzarella. So like I'm waiting for dinner. It's almost ready, just waiting for her to serve the food, but I just wanted to do my outro because after this, that's basically it. So I just need to watch TV until one of us or all of us goes to bed and finally drops. Oh my god, I almost fell up. Anyways, it's kind of dark right now because I'm not using the ring lights and I'm holding the camera up, but I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I felt a little bit, you know, warm on the inside, you know, as we're eating. Maybe we're getting full as well, you know, that kind of love that we share. See you next time, guys. Bye. Say Merry Christmas. Bye.